Hello, welcome to the Virtual Picture. My name is Ashley. This video today, I'm just going to go through in a bit more detail about the technology that we use here to create the 360-degree pictures and in turn the virtual tours that I do hope you have seen on the portfolio section of my website. First of all, before we go any further, I'm just going to actually set the camera off now. So I'm just going to press and start here. There'll be a 5-second countdown and then there'll be a succession of beeps whilst it's actually taking a 360-degree photo. I will point out that it's not the ideal conditions here. Obviously I am incredibly close to the camera, whereas obviously I would not be. The camera is actually not in the centre of the room. It's also quite high in height. I'd actually probably set it a little bit lower to get the ideal picture. But what it will show in a traditional setting, as we are here inside a room, it's quite dull. I've actually specifically not put any lights on. I do have the windows next to me, so it's letting in quite a bit of natural light, but this should take about 30 seconds to a minute or so for it to actually take the picture itself. And when I say picture, what we've got here, you may see, is 4 lenses on this camera itself, and they're all taking photos. They're actually all taking different exposures. So at the setting that I've put it on at the moment, it's got 9 exposures per lens. And that's accounting for the difference in light conditions here. As I mentioned, we've got windows here, natural light, but obviously in the far corner, in the kitchen area, it's actually fairly dull. So beeping away, taking those photos, making sure that you're going to produce a high quality, usable 360-degree picture, which you can then link to create virtual tours. The whole point of this video is to explain how quick it is now to create these photos. As you can hear now, the beeping has actually stopped, so the photo has now been taken. I can now move the camera to a different position, take another photo, and then carry on with the process. So we're very quick to create the 360-degree pictures here, but not compromise on the quality. Traditionally, to create these 360-degree pictures and virtual tours, use a digital SLR camera. You place the camera, of course, on a tripod and in a specific cradle to keep it in a central position, and you maneuver the camera around for it to take the different shots, which you then stitch together to create a 360-degree photo, and then in turn, of course, those photos to create a virtual tour. That is incredibly time consuming. A number of companies do charge per picture. We do not. We charge per project. We do not want to limit you on the number of pictures that you may require for your project. We've specifically invested in technology here, and this is not a cheap camera. It's about £6,000 in cost to actually purchase this. You'll see I've got a very sturdy tripod as well here, and that's about £250 as well. So we're not skimping on the investment in technology here to create the virtual tours. What we've done is actually done our research and invested in the technology here to make it quicker for you and more accessible for you to start using virtual tours to showcase whatever it may be or promote whatever it may be that you wish to use this for. So we'll very quickly take the camera off the tripod just to give you a better and closer up view. As you can see, 4 lenses around there, and it's quite a weighty piece of equipment here. We can do time-lapse photography with this camera, and we can also interlay it with the likes of Leica's laser systems to produce scanning of buildings as well. But it's all utilising 360-degree technology. My next video, I'm actually going to show going through the actual picture that I've taken here and show you how quick it is and the quality of that photo itself. Like I say, I will point out, the portfolio section on my website has used this camera, so you'll be able to see how easy and the quality of the tours that we actually produce for you. I do hope you found this video interesting. Thank you very much for your time.